Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to create YouTube playlist. First you need to open your Chrome application. You are going to search for studio.youtube.com. Then you need to open it. Then you are going to click on continue to studio. Guys, this is the dashboard of our YouTube channel. So we are going to click here on content. Then let's click here on view all. Guys, these are our videos. Let's pick one by clicking on the box here. Then click add to playlist. These are our playlists. Now let's click on new playlist. Click and hold on new playlist. Then let's click on new playlist again down here. Here we can create a playlist and we call it like YouTube tutorials. Then here you'll need to click on create. YouTube tutorials too is created. But still we can even delete the playlist because we don't need it. Guys, that's how you can create the YouTube playlist, and that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, press the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.